It's been a really peaceful morning at the lake. I got up at 6. It's just after 8 now. All packed up, ready to hit the trail. I'm gonna start by hitting up Racehorse Pass, which is only about a kilometer away and a couple 100 meters of elevation gain. So we'll get up there and hopefully get some views. The route down Racehorse Pass wasn't really very defined. There wasn't a lot of flagging unless I was just missing it. But I think if you stick to the easiest path down, it's not a problem and not too bushwhacky. Up here, I guess typical southern Alberta wind. So yeah, just looking ahead, it looks like I have to drop down now over this pass, and then I'm gonna end up on that ridge line straight ahead, and below that on the other side there is a camp, and I might stay at that camp tonight. Unless I'm feeling energetic, I'll try and push on to the next one. I'm getting close to finishing my climbing for the day. I think I'm probably only, 20 to 50 meters away from the ridge line up here before I drop down into North Racehorse Creek Camp. I have got to say, the first two passes that I did this morning were very steep, up and down, and the last two are only about 200 meters elevation each, maybe 200 to 300 up. They have been very well graded. It's the new work that they've done. It looks like it's the most recent, maybe. It's very well graded trail, up and down. It was really nice to get the legs moving and stretching, rather than just feeling like I was on a Stairmaster for probably like 10K. Anyway, yeah, it's been great. Really nice work, guys. It reminded me a lot of like the flow on the Rock Wall Trail, like up to Flow Lake and maybe around Tumbling, and it was a nice pace. Anyway, nearing the last little bit here of elevation gain for the day, and then I have to go down about 400 meters to camp. So I'll probably fire up the GoPro once I get to camp.
Just relaxing by the creek here at North Racehorse Creek Camp. Tent's set up, I already ate dinner, the food's hanging. So just taking it easy for a little bit. Probably gonna go to bed in about a half hour, an hour. Get some good shut-eye. I think I'm gonna get up a little early tomorrow, try and get on the trail early. Going to Dutch Creek Camp tomorrow. Should be a good day, just over 20 some K I think. So I'll catch you in the morning.